Hi guys, this is the Java series part 61. In the last session we have discussed about the garbage collection in Java language. What is garbage collection? Is the process of reclaiming the unused memory automatically, isn't it? In the last session we have discussed about nullify the reference variable during garbage collection. Now let's discuss about reassign the reference variable and create an anonymous object during the garbage collection. Let's see this example. Here I have created the class testGarbage2. Inside this class I have created the user-defined function finalize. In the last session itself we have discussed about the method overriding concept, that is the polymorphism concept, isn't it? This user-defined function overrides the method which is present inside the inbuilt class object, because all the user-defined classes are the subclasses of the inbuilt parent class object. Okay, this O must be capital. Okay, and here what is the role of this finalize? It is used to print this statement on our console. Okay, and the finalize method is invoked each time before the object is garbage collected. Okay, this method can be used to perform cleanup processing, and the GC method is used to invoke the garbage collector to perform cleanup processing. And here I have created the main method and I have created two objects S1 and S2 for this testGarbage2 class. Okay, and now here I try to assign this reference to this reference. Okay, actually both are the reference variable. Okay, so what will happen here? Because of this statement we can unreference the object. Okay, and after execute this line, this finalize method will be invoked, so we will get this statement on our console. Okay, let me execute this one. So we got the output. Object is garbage collected. Okay, so let's see this example. Here I have created the testGarbage3 and inside this class I have created the finalize user-defined function, and this is the main method. Here I have created the object for this class. Now here I have created an anonymous object. We know anonymous objects means that object is not created by the programmer, object is created by the compiler only implicitly, isn't it? Here new keyword and the default constructor for this class. With the help of this statement we can unreference the object S1. Okay, so here I have used the GC inbuilt method for cleanup processing. So after encounter this line, this finalize method will be invoked, so we will get object is garbage collected on our console. Okay, let me execute this one. Here I got the output. I hope you all understood about the garbage collection. So what is garbage collection? Is the process of reclaiming the unused memory automatically. So what are the advantages of garbage collection? It makes memory efficient because garbage collector removes the unreferenced object from memory, isn't it? It is automatically done by the garbage collector. So we don't need to make extra efforts. Okay. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.